Toolbox Talk, machineries on construction sites. Construction vehicles need to travel in and out of these excavations daily, and it's common that employees entering and exiting the excavation use the same ramp as the construction vehicle. A solid barricade walkway must be created for employees as far as possible away from ramps. If there is any chance of a runaway vehicle, alternative access and egress routes must be constructed. How to manage and reduce the risk. All construction vehicles are required with an audible acoustic device that can be activated by the operator. Traffic management plan should be drawn up and communicated to the indicated access and egress routes for construction vehicles, deliveries, and other vehicle movement on site. Employees are to wear high visibility vests as to increase awareness for construction vehicle operators. Erect construction vehicle signage at strategic points in and around traffic routes. Remember, construction vehicles and mobile plant must be prevented from falling into excavations, water, or any other area lower than the working surface by erecting, installing adequate edge protection, guardrails, or crash barriers. Train and appoint a flagman to help control the movement of employees and construction vehicles. Construction vehicles are fitted with overhead protections such as roll bars as to protect the operator in case the vehicle overturns. When vehicles are loaded with materials or tools, these should be tied down and secured. Operators are deemed medically fit in the form of an Annexure 3 certificate issued by an occupational health practitioner.